Yes and yes, welcome to TharBar Thoughts. Assalamu alaikum. Today's Saturday Dan quiz are regarding the animals. Today's first question is: which large mammal's tail is so strong that it can stand on its end, lift its hind legs off the ground? This mammal is kangaroo. What flightless bird is the emblem of New Zealand? This bird is kiwi. What is the national animal of Scotland? Scotland national animal is unicorn. Question number 4. Where would you find a polar bear in the Arctic or in Antarctica? In Arctic. Why do frogs close their eyes when they swallow? When they swallow, they close their eyes to help push food down their throats. What animal is said to have 9 lives? This animal is cat. Which bird is a symbol for peace? The symbol for peace, this bird is dove. What are baby kangaroos called? The kids of kangaroos are called joeys. What is the larval stage of amphibians able to grow into frogs and salamanders? This is the tadpoles. What is the only big cat that cannot roar? The big cat that cannot roar is cheetah.